Hello, welcome back. I have removed her previous set. I've prepped them all nice and clean for the redesign. And my client here, she came with the picture. We tried to make it as close as possible, but the colors were quite different. And I've used what I had just to make it work. But it turned out really, really lovely. I'm using here beachrock, I believe. In the picture it was a color very similar to this one with a bit of shimmer in it, just like this one, but a bit darker, which I didn't have, so I've used this one. But it turned out right. So here on her pinky, I am just doing an ombre. As I said, I'm using beachrock and birthday suit. I'm also using my Tracy Lou brush, size 10. Here I am encapsulating with crystal glass as per usual. Just trim off any excess acrylic. Here on her middle finger, we are doing a 3-color ombre. So I'm using beachrock and also copper penny and birthday suit. Now, beachrock and copper penny do not want to blend together, okay? So I had to use quite a lot of small wet beads and go back and forth between the colors to make this blend as best as possible. We did do a bit of a nail art, just a quick one. We didn't have time on top of this, right on top of the 2-color blended, and it looked really, really nice. So I'm not that worried if this doesn't blend perfectly. Oh, and I forgot to say, here I am working on my client Jess. That I swear, I just she's too much. Like she why do you have to move that much? I'm joking. We really get along, but she's such a little nightmare to work with. Like she moves too much, and she talks and she screams at her phone, and she just I swear they never turn out like they should. I always make sure I have my apex sitting where it should sit in order for the nail to last every time I encapsulate. Here I'm doing the same thing that I did on the pinky. I'm using beachrock. Just removing any excess. Don't want to bulk the nail up. I don't want to make it look too thick, unnecessarily thick. On this finger, I am doing the same thing that I did on the middle finger, which is a 3-color ombre. I'm just putting those 2 colors the other way around. Unfortunately, I've lost a lot of footage with this set, so I only have the application. I don't have the top coat application or my file routine, but I do have that posted in my last video if you want to check it out. But we do have the final look, a little video at the end where you can see the bit of a quick nail art that we did and all the top coat and everything like that. Again, I took a bit more of that copper penny, quite wet, and make sure I blend as best as I can. And I'm using a very small, quite wet bead of the birthday suit because I want to keep those three colors placed quite equally. That makes sense? Yeah, makes sense. Hey, baby. On her ring finger, we are doing a marble with those three colors. Now, the trick is that I'm left-handed, and on the other side, I did the waves of the marble towards left. Now I have to do it towards right on this finger, which is tricky, because I'm left-handed. I'm so left-handed, I swear. But it did turn really lovely, so... So this video will end shortly. I do hope you enjoyed. If you do, please subscribe. It means the world to me. And I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.